Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to achieve financial independence? If so, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing how to invest in yourself and your future to achieve financial freedom. We'll provide you with 5 actionable steps that you can start implementing today to take control of your finances and pave the way for a brighter future. Whether you're just starting out in your career or looking to retire soon, this video is for you. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started on the path to financial independence. Achieving financial independence is a goal that many of us strive for. It's the feeling of knowing that you have control over your finances and you no longer have to worry about living paycheck to paycheck. While many people believe that the key to achieving financial independence is to make more money, the truth is that it's all about how you manage the money that you have. One of the best ways to achieve financial independence is to invest in yourself and your future. This means taking steps to improve your skills, knowledge, and overall financial literacy. By doing so, you can open up new opportunities for yourself, increase your income potential, and build a stronger financial foundation for the years ahead. One of the first steps to investing in yourself is to prioritize your education. This doesn't necessarily mean going back to school, but it does mean taking the time to learn new skills and expand your knowledge. This can be done through online courses, workshops, reading books, or attending seminars. By investing in your education, you can improve your job prospects and increase your earning potential. Another important aspect of investing in yourself is taking care of your physical and mental health. This means eating well, exercising regularly, and taking time to de-stress and relax. When you prioritize your health, you'll have more energy and focus to dedicate to your career and finances. In addition to investing in yourself, it's important to invest in your future. This means taking steps to save and invest your money for the long term. It's never too early or too late to start saving for retirement. By investing in retirement accounts such as a 401k or IRA, you can take advantage of compound interest and grow your savings over time. It's also important to have a plan for emergencies. Building an emergency fund can provide you with peace of mind and ensure that you have the resources you need to handle unexpected expenses. This can help prevent you from going into debt or having to tap into your long-term savings. Finally, investing in your future means taking steps to build wealth over time. This can be done through smart investing, such as buying stocks or real estate, or by starting a side business. By diversifying your income streams, you can increase your earning potential and build wealth over time. In conclusion, achieving financial independence is all about investing in yourself and your future. By prioritizing your education, health, savings, and wealth building, you can take control of your finances and build a strong foundation for a brighter future. Don't go anywhere just yet. We have some amazing actionable steps that are coming up, and you won't want to miss them. Make sure to like and subscribe so you can be the first to know when we release new content. And keep watching, because these steps are going to change your life. 1. Set financial goals. Setting financial goals is a critical step in investing in yourself and your future. It's essential to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve and a plan to get there. When you set financial goals, you're creating a roadmap for your financial future, which can help you stay focused and motivated. The first step in setting financial goals is to identify short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals could be things like paying off credit card debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a down payment on a home. Long-term goals might include saving for retirement, starting a business, or investing in rental properties. It's important to make sure your goals are specific, measurable, and achievable. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save more money," set a specific goal, such as, "I want to save $10,000 in the next 12 months." Once you've set your financial goals, it's important to create a plan to achieve them. This might involve making changes to your spending habits, finding ways to increase your income, or seeking out new investment opportunities. It's also essential to track your progress regularly and make adjustments as needed. By monitoring your progress, you can identify areas where you may be falling short and make changes to stay on track. By setting financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them, you'll be on your way to achieving financial independence and creating a brighter future for yourself. 2. Develop a budget. Developing a budget is a crucial step in achieving financial independence. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It allows you to track your income, expenses, and savings, and make informed decisions about your spending. By developing a budget, you can take control of your finances and plan for your future. To develop a budget, you'll need to start by gathering information about your income and expenses. This includes your take-home pay, bills, rent or mortgage, and other expenses like groceries, entertainment, and transportation. You can use a budgeting app or software to help you create a budget that works for you. Once you have a budget in place, it's essential to review and adjust it regularly. Your income and expenses may change over time, so your budget needs to reflect those changes. By tracking your spending and adjusting your budget, you can stay on top of your finances and avoid overspending. In summary, developing a budget is a critical step in achieving financial independence. It allows you to track your income, expenses, and savings, and make informed decisions about your spending. By using a budgeting app or software and reviewing and adjusting your budget regularly, you can take control of your finances and plan for your future. 3. Reduce your debt. Reducing debt is a critical step in achieving financial independence. Debt can be a significant obstacle that prevents you from achieving your long-term financial goals, like purchasing a home or saving for retirement. High-interest debts like credit cards and personal loans can accumulate quickly, making it challenging to pay them off. When you carry high balances, you can end up paying hundreds or thousands of dollars in interest alone, which can keep you trapped in a cycle of debt. To reduce your debt, you need to have a plan. Start by assessing your current debt situation. List all your debts, including the balance, interest rate, and monthly payment. This will help you prioritize which debts to pay off first. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first as they accumulate interest at a higher rate, increasing the total amount you owe. Once you've paid off high-interest debts, you can shift your focus to paying off the rest of your debts. Consolidating your debts is another way to reduce your debt load. Debt consolidation involves taking out a new loan to pay off multiple debts. By consolidating your debts, you can simplify your finances and lower your interest rates, making it easier to pay off your debt. When you consolidate your debt, you'll typically receive a lower interest rate, which can help you pay off your debt faster. In conclusion, reducing debt is an essential step in achieving financial independence. By taking control of your debt, you can free up more of your income to invest in yourself and your future. Start by assessing your debt situation, creating a plan, and focusing on paying off high-interest debts first. Consider consolidating your debts to simplify your finances and lower your interest rates. With these steps, you can reduce your debt and work towards achieving financial independence. 4. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is one of the most important steps you can take to achieve financial independence. By investing in your skills and education, you can improve your career prospects and earning potential. There are many ways to invest in yourself, from taking courses and attending seminars to reading books and networking with professionals in your field. When you invest in yourself, you're making a long-term investment in your future. One of the most effective ways to invest in yourself is to take courses or attend seminars. This can help you learn new skills or improve existing ones, which can lead to career advancement and higher earnings. Look for courses or seminars that align with your career goals or interests. There are many online resources available that offer free or low-cost courses, making it easy to get started. Another way to invest in yourself is to read books or listen to podcasts. This can help you stay up to date on industry trends and best practices, as well as broaden your knowledge and understanding of your field. Make a habit of reading at least one book or listening to one podcast each month. Set aside time each day or week to read or listen to educational content, and you'll be amazed at how much you can learn and how it can benefit your career and financial future. Finally, networking with professionals in your field can help you learn from others and make valuable connections. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with others on social media or LinkedIn. Build relationships with other professionals and seek out mentors who can provide guidance and advice. Networking can open up new opportunities and help you stay informed about industry trends, which can benefit your career and financial future. By investing in yourself, you're taking control of your future and laying the foundation for financial independence. 5. Invest in your future. Investing in your future is a critical aspect of achieving financial independence. Regardless of where you live in the world, planning for your future is essential to ensure that you have the financial resources you need to live the life you want. One of the most effective ways to invest in your future is to contribute to retirement accounts. Retirement accounts come in various forms and are available in many countries worldwide. In general, these accounts allow you to set aside money for retirement and provide tax benefits that can help your money grow faster. Depending on where you live, you may have access to government-sponsored retirement accounts or private retirement plans offered by employers or financial institutions. To invest in your future, it's essential to understand the options available to you and choose the retirement account that best fits your needs. Some retirement accounts may provide tax deductions or credits for contributions, while others may allow you to invest in a range of investment options such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Choosing the right account can help you maximize your returns and achieve your retirement goals. In conclusion, investing in your future is an important step towards financial independence. Retirement accounts are a powerful tool for building wealth and planning for retirement. By contributing to these accounts regularly and choosing the right investments, you can secure your financial future and achieve the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. As you embark on your journey towards financial independence, keep in mind that investing in yourself and your future is key to achieving your goals. By setting financial goals, developing a budget, reducing debt, investing in your skills, and planning for your retirement, you can set yourself up for a brighter future. While it may take time and effort to get there, remember that the small steps you take today will pay off in the long run. We encourage you to take action and wish you the best of luck on your path to financial freedom. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey towards financial freedom. But the adventure doesn't end here, it's just beginning. If you're seriously interested in making money from home, then you cannot afford to miss out on the carefully curated courses we have discovered for you. In the video description, you'll find a treasure trove of exclusive courses created by renowned experts in their respective fields. These courses will provide you with the knowledge, skills, and actionable steps to kickstart your online success. Imagine waking up to a life of financial abundance, working when and where you want. It's not just a dream, it can become your reality. These extraordinary courses, crafted by industry-leading creators, will serve as your compass pointing towards the path of prosperity and unlocking the doors to a life of limitless abundance. From beginner-friendly modules to advanced techniques, you'll have everything you need to thrive in the digital landscape. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Click on the links in the description to explore these remarkable courses and invest in yourself. Your future awaits. Your journey towards financial freedom starts here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, we invite you to join us in our next one where we explore the concept of paying yourself first. You'll learn to secure your financial future with a powerful formula, ensuring that your dreams and goals take center stage as you build wealth and manifest the life you've always envisioned. Click the link and empower yourself on the path to a life of abundance and prosperity.